Good morning, and it's a beautiful Sunday morning. Look at this top. I must show this top. It's showing Dad, Harry Tutavaha, his birthday, the 1st of May, 1928. Good on you, Dad, for all the running that you have done and inspired us children to be who we are today. You're my hero, Dad. You're my hero. Anyway, we are here at Te Whitinga, the Te Whitinga crossing, and it's just right here. But I'll tell you where we are. We are just looking out. Behind me is New Windsor, Mount Roskill, and just in front of me here is Mount Albert, over that side there, Mount Albert, and all that area leading back into Avondale. So Blockhouse Bay further on, but look at this. This bridge has just been built, and look how beautiful it is. It's amazing, some of the sights here in Auckland. So we're just first time for me to be on this bridge, and I think it's just lovely to get out and about. We're really having a nice day today, Sunday morning, and we're doing our walk before we actually start to go out to our Sunday worship. We're going to go and worship with Life. Good morning. We're going to worship with Life Church, and people are out and about today, so it's fantastic. It's there's the bridge, and there's Stephen behind me. There's Honey, and it's absolutely fantastic here what they've done with the wetlands out this way here, as you can see. This is beautiful Auckland. Auckland is beautiful. I love it here. Well, I love any place I go to, but no place like where you're brought up. And maybe I was born in Niue Island, but I was brought up here in Auckland. Beautiful city of sails. You know, there's no place like this that you can see how beautiful it is. I think everyone will say how beautiful the places are that they live in, but I can always admire how beautiful our country is. New Zealand, green, luscious, and just rich in the soil, and the people are very, very friendly. So this is New Zealand, this is Auckland, and it's always good to come back home and appreciate what we have here in Aotearoa. Cheers.